Good morning, guys. Look at that.
See? Yeah.
Yeah, this is.
They went out.
Yeah. Wow. Look at the fog. Ooh, we can't see the mountain. It's very misty. Yung ating mga itik tumatawag na. Good morning, guys. Lamig na. Nagmamadali silang lumabas.
Where's Uncle Dan?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think they do all sleep in the back room.
Oh, the chickens is gonna go down. It looks like a very spooky morning because of the fog. Spooky. Spooky morning. Tumaba yung fog. Where you been, Gwen? Morning, Sarah. Hi, girl. Good morning, Gwen. They're strolling this morning. They're both happy. So yun guys, kung nakikita nyo may gumagawa dun sa likod ng bahay namin at ginagawa nga nila yung linya ng tubig namin. So eto at patapos na sila, finally magkakatubig na ulit kami. So yung tubig namin, pinapatay namin, binubuksan lang namin siya sa hapon and then naglalagay kami ng tubig sa tub. And then yun yung ginagamit namin and then papatayin ulit and then overnight until the next day ng hapon ulit and then bubuksan na ulit siya. So iyan at finally tapos na yung ating linya ng tubig. Guys, I'm washing the eggs. So I'm gonna make a salted eggs. I'm just cleaning it right now. Here we have a brine. This is just salt. Like 6 cups of salt in here. I'm just melting it. And then I'm going to put it in here for a couple months. It's like 3 dozens of duck eggs. So this year my son is gonna be 16. So last week my husband and I, we go to Bristol, Virginia. We got him a motorcycle. He is such a good boy. He is no trouble. He's very good at school. So we decide to get this motorcycle for him because he really deserves it. The school is kind of close in our house, so we thought it might be good for him to ride his motorcycle back and forth to school, and it will give him more confident driving in motorcycle, and boost his confidence. I'll show you the motorcycle. Okay.
Let me wipe it off first.
Okay. You're such a good papa. Look at that.
But he's such a good kid.
Thank you.
This really is a nice bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the reviews that I read, this is the best learner bike. And he said we can do the maintenance. We just have to keep the
Okay.
So we just have to buy the filters and stuff from Triumph.
Okay. Yan guys. Ayan, pinupunasan pa talaga niya. Kasi surprise niya yan mamaya pagdating galing sa school. Siya nagplan yan. Siya nag-set up. So,
You remember when Papa had motorcycle?
oo.
Yeah, you spend like all day cleaning,
Then
and you
you're...
go out riding.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's important.
Oo. Leaves, wow. It's already crunchy.
You don't have to go to the bathroom. Or come on.
How'd you get this? I asked my teacher, she said,
Permit. You need a permit, then let's go. Because it's gonna be winter time. Put your backpack down.
Hannibal, close your bag. You try get in there. Yeah. Is that comfortable?
yeah.
Yeah. So yan guys, update tayo dito sa ating Cornish cross. So 2 weeks old na sila. Check tayo dito sa ating duck coop. So nangingitlog dito ngayon silang lahat. So, yan yung itlog ng bantam. Then, meron pang isa dyan na nangingitlog. So, yung ating mga broilers is already 2 weeks old. And then, now si Mr. gumagawa ng kanilang tractor. Kasi, on their 3rd week, they're gonna come out here. They're gonna live here on their 3rd week until 7th week. Looks very nice kasi si Mr. nagmow yesterday and then the other day. So, yan yung ginagawa ni Mr. ngayon, yung kanilang tractor. So, yung kanyang length at saka width is 7 by 7. So, kung nakita nyo guys, yan yung aming lumang cabinet doors na tinanggal nung nag-renovate kami ng bahay. Ito yung fence na ilalagay natin dyan. So, tignan natin mamaya kung paano ni Mr. gagawin yan. So, and then bumili na rin si Mr. ng 3 PVC. So, that's
2 feet.
2,
Because you know, originally I said 4.
3 there.
Let's go 3. Okay.
Ito na guys, i-install na namin yung PVC. Tinaray muna namin kung gaano siya kataas, and then nagputol kami ng 3 feet, and then nilagay namin siya ulit, and masyado pa rin siyang mataas. So there you go. So guys, we decide to trim it again. We're gonna cut another 2 feet, so it's not too
And let me cut this one.
high. So that's gonna be the new height of the tractor. I'll measure it.
Remember, it's going to be very sharp.
So after like 3 hours, yan, ito na yung ating tractor. it's about ready, and maybe tomorrow I can transfer them here a little bit early, huh? Also, no more heater, and they should be good because I think in their size right now they're okay to go out without heater. Yep. So there you go. This is the other end. This is gonna be the back. So we put two 8x5 tarp in there. There you go. So this is gonna be the door. I still gonna finish this tomorrow. So yeah, it's actually almost finished. Good night, duckies. Nag-scooter pa.